up, my babies? Neek here, and I'm back with another vlog. Today I want to take y'all with me to Dollar Tree so we can see what we can get for our movie night. As y'all read on that title, we'll probably be watching King Kong versus Godzilla, so yeah, we'll see how that go. I'm not really into all that, but we gonna watch that. That's a fan favorite. I'm guessing everybody want to watch that. So let's go to the store right now and get the stuff. Hope y'all enjoy this video and try to use some of these movie ideas and snacks that we get for your movie night at home. So let's go. Okay, y'all, we back home. We about to put the groceries up and we're about to start barbecuing. My sister over here, can y'all see her? Mika in there. We got some cheese, we got salsa, we got sausages. We're gonna be grilling sausage, hamburger, hot dogs. What else? Chicken. We're gonna have some chips, and then we're gonna do our little movie night. Hi. And we got this tablecloth. It's good for grilling. Jackie gonna get on the grill on the 1s and 2s. I'm just gonna take everything out the bag and I'm gonna show y'all everything we got and everything out the bag. So give me a minute. All right, y'all. So we have everything out of the bags. Now it's time to set up. We are going to season our patties. Well, my sister's gonna season our hamburger. And then for our sausage and stuff, we don't need to even season that. We're just gonna slap it on the grill with the charcoal. That's gonna season it, baby. But oh, let me show y'all what we got from Dollar Tree for our movie night. Let me put the camera up some, like I'm bending down. We got these little popcorn containers. I got 2 of these, and we got some movie butter. Shoot, what else we got? We got chips and salsa, everything. So we about to set everything up. So I'm probably gonna just, yeah, set everything up right now. Oh, it's another thing I got at Dollar Tree. It's like these little containers you put barbecue and ketchup and stuff in. We're gonna put my fiance's homemade barbecue sauce in there because it look ghetto in this, and I wanna have like a cute movie night. So let's put the barbecue in these containers. I gotta find a funnel. Where is the funnel? Pour the barbecue sauce in our container. What's hot? Hopefully it don't make a mess. Ooh, that's so clumpy. This is the best barbecue sauce out. Alright, we got our barbecue in there. Just gotta wipe off the sides now. Here, if you wanna put the top on, put the top on here. Put the top on here. There we go. There we go. There we go. We have our barbecue. Show them our barbecue. Show the camera. Oh, you can't drink it. So let's season our burgers because Tamika ran to the store. So we're going to go ahead and season our burgers and stuff. And we're going to get Mario a piece of candy out of here. Yeah. Close enough. Now let's season our patties now. Season like maybe 2 or 3 because, yeah. We are then going to make our salsa and cheese dip. We're gonna season it with some onion powder, y'all. And we're gonna season it with some seasoning salt. Put a little dab, put a little dab. Mari, where are you? You know when kids get quiet, you gotta call them like, where are you? You better not be in that toilet. You better not be in that toilet. Oh, let me go see where this girl is at. I'm trying to think. Oh, come to find out, she is in the toilet. She got to use the bathroom. Oh, I love a potty trained kid that just know when they gotta go boo boo. Let's give her privacy, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. She knew when she had to go to the bathroom. So we got our bowl. We about to put our chips in there, and then we're gonna melt our cheese and then put our salsa in a bowl. So we'll have that for like an order on the border. Best chips and salsa you could get, like I said. We're gonna pour it in here. And then we just got some regular tortilla chips that I got from Dollar Tree. We just put a little bit in there. They look like the real tortilla chips they be having at the movies. Let me find out the movies we going to Dollar Tree to get tortillas. Let me find out. And charging $10 for some nachos at the movies. Okay, y'all. We almost done setting up. We just have to make the chips and, the salsa and the cheese for the nachos, and then we're gonna make our jungle juice. And then we got Tamika over here. She's washing the chicken. We're gonna season the chicken. So we got our popcorn machine over here. We'll be having popcorn for the movie later. Our popcorn little containers here for movie night. Alright, we got our nachos right here. Let's melt the cheese like I said a million times. We just got some regular nacho cheese dip. We just put it in a bowl. Let's put it in a bowl. We have chunky salsa medium. This is by On the Border. And we have this paste medium sauce. Oh yeah, I gotta tell y'all, we have a meeting with our builder on Tuesday. They're about to start building it April 26th. So we hype about that. Some more food off the grill.
I don't mean it does, but that's you turn off.
Been done. Even a little bit longer. Look good. Everything looking good. Hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Yeah. I hope y'all try out that setup for a movie night at home with your family. And yeah, everything was pretty cheap. Everything that I did for the decor wise was like $20 or something like that. It wasn't expensive at all. If you want to get the decor stuff for a little movie night though, that was $20. But let's make the burger now.
Birthday your children or wipe out?
She's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard.
Okay guys, as you can see, we're in the closet and we have put on a robe, so now it's time to go to bed. We have watched the movie and we have ate our snacks. We're full and tired. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys take some of the ideas that we did and use it for your movie night. You get all of your stuff from Decor from Dollar Tree, as I showed you guys. So I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.